Finding the right printer for your home can feel tricky, whether you're printing school assignments, work documents, family photos, or just the occasional form. The good news is today's home printers are more efficient and versatile than ever, and you don't have to spend a lot to get dependable performance. In this video, we'll walk through 6 of the best home printers available right now, highlighting their key features and what to keep in mind so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Links to all the printers mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Epson WorkForce Pro WF4820. If you're looking for a printer that feels like it belongs in a professional office but still fits into a home setting, the Epson WorkForce Pro WF4820 is a solid choice. This all-in-one machine is built for people who handle more than just occasional printing, offering the kind of speed and features that busy households or small offices will appreciate. The WF4820 can print, copy, scan, and fax, giving you everything you need in one device. It's fast too, delivering about 25 pages per minute in black and around 12 pages per minute in color. For homes where multiple people need to use the printer throughout the day, those speeds help keep things moving without much waiting around. Paper handling is another strong point. It comes with a 250-sheet paper tray, which means you won't constantly be refilling it. Automatic duplex printing is built in as well, so you can save paper and time by printing on both sides without manually flipping pages. The large 4.3-inch touchscreen is easy to navigate and gives you quick access to settings and functions even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. That said, it's not perfect. The WF4820 is a little louder than some other models, especially during heavy print jobs. Its footprint is also larger, so you'll need to clear some space for it on your desk or table. Overall, the Epson WorkForce Pro WF4820 is ideal for anyone who needs a dependable office-style printer at home with speed, a sharp touchscreen interface, and a sturdy design that can handle real work. Number 5. Canon PIXMA TR8620a. If you want a printer that can handle everything from crisp documents to beautiful photos, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a is a smart option. This versatile all-in-one inkjet strikes a nice balance between performance and size, making it a great fit for families or anyone who needs to print a mix of paperwork and pictures. The TR8620a offers all the essentials. It prints, scans, copies, and even faxes. What sets it apart is its photo printing quality. Images come out sharp, colorful, and detailed, making it a solid pick for anyone who likes to print snapshots at home without sending them out to a photo lab. It comes equipped with a 20-sheet auto-document feeder, which saves time when you need to scan or copy a stack of papers. You don't have to feed each page manually, just load them in and let it work. This is especially helpful for light office work or school projects. Another feature worth noting is its support for voice-activated printing. You can connect it to smart assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant and issue print commands hands-free. The printer also supports wireless and cloud printing, so you can send jobs from your phone, tablet, or laptop without fussing with cables. On the downside, this model isn't the fastest if you're printing big batches of documents. It tends to move at a more leisurely pace compared to office-focused models, and the cost per page is a bit higher than with a laser or tank printer. Still, the Canon PIXMA TR8620 stands out for its excellent photo quality, strong connectivity options, and compact footprint, ideal for homes where both documents and pictures are part of the routine. Number 4. Brother HL L2350DW. If you only need black and white printing and want something fast, affordable, and easy to maintain, the Brother HL L2350DW is a great choice. This simple monochrome laser printer focuses on doing one thing, and doing it well, making it ideal for students or home offices with heavy document needs. The HL L2350DW is a print-only machine, so there's no scanning, copying, or faxing. But what it lacks in extra functions, it makes up for in speed and reliability. This model can produce up to 32 pages per minute, which is fast enough to handle long essays, reports, or meeting handouts without keeping you waiting. Paper handling is efficient too. The printer has a 250-sheet paper tray, so you don't have to reload paper often, even if you're printing regularly. It also supports automatic duplex printing, so you can print on both sides of the page without flipping sheets manually. A nice way to save paper and keep things tidy. Another strong point is its size. The HL L2350DW has a compact footprint that won't crowd your desk or workspace. Its quiet operation makes it a good fit for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or shared spaces where noise can be an issue. Wireless and mobile printing are both supported, so you can send documents from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop with ease. You won't need to mess with cables unless you want to. On the downside, this printer doesn't do color, and since it's strictly a printer, it won't help if you need to scan or copy anything. But if all you really need is reliable black and white printing at a low cost per page, this model delivers exactly that. For fast, quiet, and dependable document printing without unnecessary extras, the Brother HL L2350DW is a standout choice. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125e. For home offices that handle a steady flow of printing, scanning, and copying, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125e offers the kind of performance and features that make daily tasks easier. This all-in-one machine is designed for people who need more than just the occasional printout, balancing speed, quality, and smart functionality in one sturdy package. The 9125e covers all the bases. It prints, scans, copies, and faxes. It's built to keep up with busy households or home offices, delivering up to 22 pages per minute in black and up to 18 pages per minute in color. Those speeds help move larger jobs along without feeling sluggish. It also comes with a generous 35-sheet automatic document feeder, which is handy when you need to scan or copy multi-page documents. You can just load the stack and let it work without having to stand by and fee each page. The Smart Tasks feature is another standout, allowing you to create shortcuts for repetitive tasks, like saving a scanned document to a specific folder or sending it straight to email. AP Plus support adds additional cloud-based options and security features for those who opt in. In terms of connectivity, the 9125e is very flexible. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and mobile printing from smartphones or tablets, so everyone in the household can connect easily, no matter what device they're using. Navigation is handled through a responsive 2.7-inch color touchscreen that keeps things simple and intuitive. On the downside, the OfficeJet Pro 9125e is somewhat bulky, so you'll want to make sure you have space for it. It's also louder during operation than some smaller models, especially during large print jobs. Still, with its solid build, smart features, and a good balance of speed and quality, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125e is an excellent choice for home offices that need to handle moderate to high print volumes with ease. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR8620a. If you print a lot of color documents or photos and want to keep your running costs as low as possible, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a is worth a close look. This compact all-in-one inkjet uses Canon's refillable mega tank system, which makes it an economical choice for high-volume printing without sacrificing quality. The TR8620a offers the essential functions you expect. It can print, scan, and copy. But its standout feature is the large, refillable ink tanks that replace traditional cartridges. Each tank holds a significant amount of ink, delivering thousands of pages before you need to refill. This keeps the cost per page far lower than standard inkjets and is especially helpful for families or students who print frequently. Despite its focus on economy, the TR8620a doesn't skimp on quality. It produces vivid, detailed color prints, making it a good fit for occasional photo printing as well as everyday documents. Whether you're working on school projects, colorful presentations, or snapshots, it delivers consistent, sharp results. The design is simple and compact, so it doesn't take up much space. It's easy to operate, and the ink refilling process is straightforward, with clear windows so you can see the ink levels at a glance. Wireless and mobile printing are supported, so you can print directly from your phone, tablet, or laptop with minimal setup. On the downside, the TR8620a doesn't include a fax function, which might matter if you occasionally need that feature. It's also a little slower than laser printers when handling big batches of documents. Still, if your priority is low-cost, high-volume color printing with good overall quality, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a delivers excellent value and convenience in a small, efficient package. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET4850. If you're looking for a premium, all-in-one printer that combines efficiency, quality, and long-term savings, the Epson EcoTank ET4850 is hard to beat. Designed for families or home offices that print regularly, it offers excellent performance with an impressively low cost per page thanks to its EcoTank system. The ET4850 handles all the essentials: print, copy, scan, and fax in a single compact unit. Its standout feature is the EcoTank refillable ink system, which comes preloaded with enough ink to last up to 2 years for the average user. That translates to thousands of pages before you even think about buying more ink, making it a much more economical choice than traditional cartridge-based printers. Print speeds are respectable, delivering around 15 pages per minute in black and about 8 pages per minute in color. That's fast enough to handle everyday needs without much waiting. The 250-sheet paper tray reduces how often you need to reload paper, and the 30-sheet automatic document feeder lets you scan, copy, or fax multi-page documents with ease. Automatic duplex printing is included, saving both paper and time, and wireless connectivity makes it simple to print from nearly any device in your home. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, the ET4850 integrates easily. Navigation is handled through a clear and responsive 2.4-inch color touchscreen that keeps all of its functions within easy reach. One of the most noticeable advantages of the ET4850 is how quiet it is compared to many other printers, making it a good fit for shared spaces. The build quality feels solid and the setup process is straightforward, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The main drawback here is the higher upfront price. However, the significant savings on ink over time more than make up for the initial costs, especially if you print often. Overall, the Epson EcoTank ET4850 offers a great combination of low running costs, reliable performance, and thoughtful design, making it our top pick for the best home printer. That wraps up our look at 6 of the best home printers available today. Each of these models brings something different to the table, so think about your print volume, whether you need photos or just documents, how much space you have, and your budget before choosing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. We're excited to see which printer you decide on.